We are going to graph a linear equation by making a table of values. Let's go! When you have x and y on the same side of the equation and some number is on the other side, your equation is written in standard form. So to graph this kind of equation, make a table of values. So let's make a table of values. We will have x here, right here. Then we will have y values. And then we will have an ordered pair, x, y. Very good. Now let's pick an easy number for x. For example, 0. So we're picking 0 for x. And we're going to take 0 and plug it in where x is in the equation. And we are going to calculate the corresponding y value. Let's do it. So 3 times 0 plus 4y equals 12. So 3 times 0 is 0. So this will go away and we will be left with 4y equals 12. So to find y, we will divide both sides by 4, right? Just like solving an equation. So 4y divided by 4 is y. And on the other side, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Very good. So we got our first ordered pair. Let's write it down. Always start with the x-coordinate. So the x-coordinate is 0 and the y-coordinate is 3. Very good, very good. So we found our first point. Now let's find another point. So this time, let's pick 0 for y and we will calculate the corresponding value for x. So let's pick 0 for y. So we will take 0 and plug it in where y is in the equation and we will calculate the corresponding x. So let's do it. So 3x plus 4 times 0 equals 12. Very good, very good. So 3x, 4 times 0 will be 0, so it will go away, equals 12. Now to find x, we will divide both sides by 3. Very good. So 3x divided by 3 will be x. And on the other side, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Very good. So we found another point. So let's write it down. Start with x. The x-coordinate is 4, the y-coordinate is 0. Very good. 2 points is usually enough to graph a line, but let's get another point just to be sure that all our points are lined up. So let's pick, for example, 1 for x. And let's plug in 1 into the equation for x. So 3 times 1 plus 4y equals 12. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 4y equals 12. Now we have to solve this equation, right? How do we do it? We subtract 3 from both sides. We are left with 4y equals, because 3 minus 3 will go away. And on the other side, we'll have 12 minus 3, which is 9. All right, to find y, we will divide both sides by 4. And y equals 2.25. Not a whole number, but that's okay. It will be just a confirmation that our points line up. So let's write the coordinates. So starting with x, 1, and then the y-coordinate is 2.25. Very good. Now we can plot the points and draw a line. So let's go. The first one is 0, 3. So 0 for x, 3 for y. Very good. And this is going to be a special point. You see this point on the y-axis. Okay, very good. Let's plot the point 4, 0. So the x-coordinate is 4, the y-coordinate is 0. This is another special point. I'll tell you about it. And let's plug the third point. So 1 and then 2.25, somewhere right here, right? Now let's draw a line. Very good, very good. So this is our line. Very good. It goes in both directions indefinitely. So look at this point. You see where the line crosses the y-axis? It's going to be called Y-intercept. Y-intercept. Okay. And the coordinates of the y-intercept, 0, 3. You see where the point crosses the x-axis? This is our x-intercept. These are special points, x-intercept. Very good. The coordinates 4, 0. Very good. I hope this is helpful. I hope to see you next time.